I'm in a hurry today because it is my 6-week appointment after my surgery. So my doctor is going to look at them and it's amazing. I'm super excited about it, but I'm in a hurry. I gotta go. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today I want to take a quick look at the Sol Mar palette from Colourpop. That is right, you guys. I picked up these two palettes a couple of weeks ago and I want to show them off to you. I'm very excited. I love Colourpop just in general. Now, I only have one of their eyeshadow palettes. Before these two, I have the Kathleen Lights one, the Zodiac palette, and I love the packaging on that, but this packaging is so much different. I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm rambling already. I'm going to do a quick eye look using one of these palettes here today because I have to run out the door. So if you would like to see a review and demo of the new Sol Mar palettes, then keep on watching. Do not speak any Spanish at all. Sol means sun and Mar means sea, so they do have the corresponding sun and sea vibes going on. I love this packaging. I think this is so adorable. I just think it's so cute. I love the orange and the red, how it is on this one. Is it even focused? I can't tell. Yeah, there we go. Now it's focused. I think it's really, really cute. I love this packaging. And then here is the Mar one. We'll do a quick little switcheroo. This one I do like a lot as well because I love the blue colors. I like the blue greens, blue seafoam. So I am very excited. And one thing that's super interesting is that they're in actual hard cases. Like, this is so cool. Like, they're mostly, I think all the other Colourpop packaging is like cardboard or paper, not paper, but like hard cardboard. Like the Kathleen Lights palette, I think it's like that, and I like that packaging. I think it's really cool, but these are like hard cases and they're so nifty. You open them up, here is what they look like inside. This mirror is ginormous, but there's no, the colors are on the back, they're not on the front. But here is the Mar palette right here. I love the matte white with the pretty, what is this, like glossed Mar on the front here, and here are all the colors in this palette. I think it's so pretty. So from the bottom, here are what these ones look like, and then the middle row, and then the very top. I love these two up here. Those look so pretty. And then here is the Sol palette. Love this again. Hard packaging, and oh, these ones, oh, I love these colors. They're so pretty. Love this orange. Like these, I love this color. This reminds me of one, I think it's called Bomb Ass, and the Jaclyn Hill palette, like Jaclyn Hill, the Vault collection. Love this color. But yeah, these are really, really pretty colors. I think I'm going to use this one today on my eyes just because I do have to go somewhere. But I do want to go ahead and swatch a few of the Marsh Shadows for you. I've not swatched any of these. I've had these for like a week and a half and I've not swatched them. I've looked at them, obviously. I've opened it up and looked at them. I'm just going to keep you zoomed in because I'm going to have to zoom you in anyways for the eye look. But I want to go ahead and swatch a few of these because I've not touched them. Very creamy, super excited. Alright, so I got 3 here. Let's go ahead and go on the back of my hand. And then we will go ahead and swatch these 3. And those went on like a charm. This green one right here is a little patchy, but definitely not bad. These two are beautiful. They're really, really pretty. I like them a whole lot. Let me see. Let's do this matte blue here. Oh, that one's nice. That's a good matte blue. I like that one. I was going to do like one eye with this one eye with this palette, but I am running out the door today. I do have a doctor's appointment today, so I wanted to I really just wanted to film this video because I've been like itching to film it like so bad. So I wanted to go ahead and film it, but we are going to be using this one today. I already have my eyes primed, of course, with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, but you can use whatever one you want. I want to do something more wearable because I know in a lot of my previous tutorials I've done things that were very vibrant and very quite hard to wear, so I do want to branch out and do something that's super easy to wear. So we are gonna go in with the first color I'm gonna pick up is this one right here, and it is the shade, it's either New Digs or Dynamite. I think this one is New Gigs. So right here we're gonna pick this one up. It does have a bit of fallout, so it does have like a little cloud If you see that, you may not be able to see it, but I don't really care if it has fallout. As long as it works, then that's all I really care about. So I'll pick this up. I want to take this in the crease just because it is very light. Next, I'm going to take this shade right down here. This one, I think this one's either called Unwind or Floaties. Honestly, I can't tell. But it says brown right down here. We're going to take that and we're going to put this in the crease as well just to deepen it up a bit. Just like that here, super simple. And then this palette does not have a very dark brown or anything. Let me see if this one does. Because if it does, then that is... this one does! I'm going to use this. We are using both palettes today. Hercules, that's awesome. So in the Mar palette, I'm going to take the shade Top Down right here, this super rich chocolate brown, and I am going to take that on the very outer V. And just go in circular motions like you normally would, and then we're going to take it up to where the crease meets. So we're taking it on that outer V right here like we are before, and then taking it up just a little to that outer, I can't even talk, to the inner crease. Just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and use one of these beautiful pressed glitters in here. Or not glitters, but like shimmers. I think I want to use this one at the top right here in the Sol palette. It's called Anthem. This one's very, very pretty, and I really want to take that and put that in the center. So we're going to do that. I'm very excited. So I think these, so see, I don't know if you can see this, but like, alright, well, it's not doing it anymore. It was moving around in the pan, so I wanted to just make you aware that it does do that. Ooh, this one is going on like a dream. This is awesome. This one's going on really nicely. That's really pretty, you guys. That's beautiful. This one's very, very creamy, very soft. So you don't want to push down too hard because it will probably break. So that is really pretty, you guys. I'm very pleased with that. I like that a whole lot. That shade is very pretty. So, and that's what we're basically going to do for the top part of the eye. For the under part, like for the lower lash line, I am going to grab a very small fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to go in back to the Mar palette and use that dark chocolate shade, and then go on the outer part of the lower, so not bringing it all the way in, but on the outer part. And then I am going to meet those two with this pretty bright orange, this pop of color here, because, you know, I love color. So I'm going to use that and just do it very lightly on the inner. And then just kind of blend those two together. Just like that. And then I am going to do the same thing on the other eye. I'm going to go do my mascara, lashes, lipstick, and all that good stuff, and then I will come right back. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I went ahead, as you can obviously tell, I did my other eye off camera, liner, lashes, lips, and all that good stuff, and this is what we are working with. I really do like this look. I love those palettes. I think that one shimmer shade was really, really pretty. Just, I can't even talk, it's so pretty. I like it a whole lot. I think they blended out super nicely. Now I will have to play with these a little bit more, just, you know, to use all the colors, but the ones that I did use today, I thought they were really nice. But I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see a full once over of the entire look. So starting with the lips here, this is a Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gemini. So I love this color. I've had this one for a very long time. And then moving up to the eyes, I just love these colors together. I think this is a really, really pretty fall look or summer look. You can pretty much wear this any time of the year. My eyeliner is still not even, so do not say that in the comments because I know it is. But yeah, no, I think this is a very pretty eye look. I think it just kind of goes well all around. But yeah, so you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. I had such a fun time filming it. It was really, really fun. But I really hope that you did like it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bells down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.